So you're probably saying to yourself, why are you showing me your laundry? Well, actually, we are off to Mexico and I will be packing today for that trip. And all of that is what I'm taking. I've actually made a list. This is that list. I made a list of everything I'm bringing, night outfits, day outfits, suits, all that stuff. And so I will be taking you through my packing day. Right now, I'm going to go to Walmart to pick some things up that I put on a list that I'm going to need for our adventures in Mexico. So I'll show you what I'm getting. Let's go. Okay, quick stop to the spray tan place because girls got some pasty white legs and I want to have a little bit of a tan before I'm seen in public in a bathing suit with pasty white legs. So I'm going in. Okay, sunscreen is a definite must. I am looking for a specific one for babies. That is the one that we like to use, and we'll be getting a lot. I'm also probably gonna grab an aloe in case someone gets burned, but hopefully not, because it's not irritating on your skin, and other ones can be, and they both all last for 80 minutes, and the other one was a 52 that I found, so we're just gonna go with the one that we always use. Check out the travel section to see if there's anything that we might need. I do like to get some Clorox wipes because one of the dirtiest things in a hotel room is the remote control, and this way I can wipe everything down when we first get there, including doorknobs and light switches. A little bit of a germaphobe, so I have Dramamine, and I will be going on 2 boat rides, or that's what we're planning, but I personally don't like Dramamine as much as Bonine. So I'm gonna go to the other section of the store and find Bonine. Bonine lasts for 24 hours. This one does not. Great thing to take with you in case you want to rewear something and you just want to freshen it up, but it doesn't really fully need to be washed. You can use this. This is great. It's rather than the giant bottle on traveling, so I'm going to get a new one of these on me on vacation. I also like to take these on vacation. Self-explanatory. This is the stuff that I take every single day on a cruise. I'm planning on taking 2 boat trips on this coming trip. One in a ferry boat to Cozumel, and the other one on an all-day adventure to an island off Cancun called Island of Women. I don't know how to say it in Spanish. It's Isla de something with an M. But anyway, this is the stuff I recommend. I love it, and I take it before I go to sleep because it tends to hit me really hard 8 hours later, and then by the time I wake up, I should be fine. So that is what I'm taking for those 2 days that I need it. It's also really good for flying on a plane if you're not really good at flying, but it will make you a little bit sleepy. Just look for the nose drowsy formula. I've never had a problem in Mexico with Montezuma's Revenge. However, someone suggested, just in case, to grab these and you put these packets in a bottled water, and it would help with your electrolytes. So we're gonna take this. If we don't use it, great, but at least we have it should we need it. Hopefully we will not. I don't know if you could tell that my legs are better, but I had to go back because the line was too long, but they're definitely not as pasty as they were. It's time to find a good book to read on vacation. Oh my gosh, now I have all this packing to do. I've got my list with all the stuff that I've written down, and now it is time to pack. I'm packing backwards, so you make your list. I've mentioned this in other videos, and if you're, it's just a way for you to help you find things. It works as well, especially if you don't plan on unpacking your things when you get there. But being that we're gonna be there for 6-7 days, I'm probably gonna unload everything, but I still like to pack backwards. And that means that I put in what I'm gonna be wearing, last at the bottom, and then pack until I have everything that I'm wearing currently on the top. All right, the next time I see you, I will be somewhere in Mexico or on an airplane. I'm going to be doing vlogs throughout my trip and giving you tips along the way. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have subscribed, thank you for being a subscriber and being part of my wonderful world. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.